Hello there, listeners. Barkanku dai masu sauraro. Yesterday we talked about illness. Jiya mun tattauna akan rashin lafiya. So, let us talk about showing consideration, concern, sympathy, or pity for someone to recover from the illness they have. Okay? Yanzu bari mu tattauna akan nuna tausayi ko addu'a ko fatan alkhairi cewa Allah ya yaye wanda ba shi da lafiya. Are you ready? Let's get started. Kun shirya? Bari mu fara. There are different ways to express concern and a prayerful wish for somebody to recover from an illness in English. Akwai hanyoyi daban-daban da mutum zai nuna kulawa ko tausayawa ko irin addu'a domin wanda ba shi da lafiya Allah ya sauwaƙe masa a turanci. So, let's get a few number of them. Bari faɗa muku ɗan kaɗan daga cikinsu. You can say, I wish you a quick recovery. I wish you a quick recovery. Allah ya sauwake. I wish you a quick recovery. And you can say, I wish you a speedy recovery. I wish you a speedy recovery. Take note, the pronunciation of the word recovery is recovery. I know we used to say recovery. It should be recovery. You got it? Good. And if you don't want to say, I wish you a quick recovery, you can use the smart English way and say, wish you a quick recovery. And if you don't want to say, I wish you a speedy recovery, you can say, wishing you a speedy recovery. Wishing you a speedy recovery. Or the first one, wishing you a quick recovery. And another way of saying that, you can say, may God strengthen your health. May God strengthen your health. And this one has a little bit different meaning from the first one, because it means saboda yana nufin Allah ya inganta lafiyarka, o Allah ya inganta lafiyarki, ko kuma Allah ya inganta lafiyarku. May God strengthen your health. May God strengthen your health. Allah ya inganta lafiyarka. Okay? Let me call your attention to the pronunciation of the word strengthen. You're gonna have to bite the edge of your tongue, like you wanna say tha or thoun in Arabic. Strength, strength, and then you finish it. You say strengthen, strengthen. You got it? Good. Keep listening and repeating. That's how to master it. Let me repeat the sentence again. I wish you, may God strengthen your health. May God strengthen your health. Allah ya inganta lafiyarka, ko Allah ya inganta lafiyarki, ko kuma Allah ya inganta lafiyarku. May God strengthen your health. So these are some of the few ways to express concern, consideration, a prayerful wish for somebody who suffers from an illness. Keep listening and repeating. God bless you. Love you. Bye for now.